Around 80 to 90,000 miles, I start seeing the same expensive failure show up. Most Ram owners miss it completely. This transmission problem costs $3,200 to fix. It starts small around 85,000 miles, then gets worse. The early warning sign: slight vibration between 40 and 70 miles per hour. Feels like driving over rumble strips very briefly. Most owners ignore this, thinking it's normal. It's not normal. It's your torque converter starting to fail internally right now. Why does this happen at 85,000 miles specifically? Torque converter clutch material wears out, fluid breaks down, causes slipping constantly. ZF 8-speed transmission has known pattern. Between 80 and 95,000 miles, torque converter problems start appearing in data. First symptom you'll notice: light shutter accelerating gently. Goes away if you accelerate hard. That's the converter clutch slipping slightly already. Week 1, shutter only sometimes. Week 4, shutter more frequent. Month 3, shutter constant. Month 6, transmission stuck in limp mode. Once it gets to limp mode, you're looking at full torque converter replacement. $3,200 parts and labor combined. Here's what most owners miss: that first light vibration. They think it's road condition or tires. It's actually transmission telling you. Between 70 and 80,000 miles, your transmission fluid starts breaking down. Additives wear out. Clutch material begins contaminating fluid internally. By 85,000 miles, contaminated fluid causes converter clutch to slip. Slipping generates heat. Heat accelerates wear. Cycle speeds up fast. What you feel as small vibration is actually metal clutch material grinding away inside torque converter. Each mile makes it worse progressively. If you catch it early, around 80,000 miles, transmission fluid change might stop progression. Costs $150 maximum only. If you ignore it until 90,000 miles, converter damage beyond fluid change fix. Need complete replacement, $3,200. Most Ram owners I see wait too long. They ignore first shutter. By time they bring truck in, damage already done completely. Your action plan right now today: if approaching 80,000 miles, change transmission fluid immediately. Use OEM fluid only, always recommended brand. If between 80 and 90,000 miles and feel any shutter, get transmission inspection immediately. Might catch it before replacement needed. If over 90,000 miles, never change fluid and have shutter, budget for torque converter replacement soon. Damage likely already progressing fast. This isn't fear-mongering. This is pattern I see weekly at shop. 8 to 5,000 mile mark is critical for ZF transmission. Bottom line: small vibration at 80,000 miles equals $3,000 repair at 90,000 miles. Don't ignore early warning. Comment below your current mileage, and if you feel any shutter, I'll tell you exactly what to do next step immediately.